Welcome to my another video. This is the second part of our cosmetic product pack project. We will create the environment and set up the lighting. This stage, it's crucial to make the render look professional and visual appealing. Let's jump right in. If you enjoy Blender tutorial on modeling, lighting, animation, and product visualization, you are in the right place. Now you can become a channel member and unlock exclusive perks like early access to all my tutorial video. And the best part, at the end of each month, you will get a complete blend file pack containing all the project file from every tutorial released that month. Just hit the join button below to become a member and support this channel to grow. Okay, that's all. Let's start the tutorial. Okay, next, let's create the environment. I'm going to click and drag like this. Do the same down here, click and drag. Going to change this to the shader editor, then Shift A, Mesh, add a camera. Go to right view, I'm going to put my camera back here. At this window, I'm going to change it to the camera view. Then go to the output property, change the resolution to 180 and 1920. Go to the object camera data property, focal length here, I'm going to change it to 180. Then adjust the position, just something like this. At this window, press T. Then scroll over here, disable the gizmo and the overlay. Then change it to the render preview. Okay, let's leave it like this for now. Then I'm going to press Shift A, Mesh, add a plane as to scale this up. Let's see what kind of rock we have. Scale this up. Let's disable this one and let's see this, scale this up. I'm just going to select this collection. Let's put it here for now. Then select one of this rock. Select this one. Press Alt P, clear parent. Then press Alt G, reset the location as to scale this up. Okay. Press SZ, scale it on the Z axis like this. Maybe we need to scale this down a little bit. Okay, then move it up. Let's try to rotate it 180. Okay. Let's put it here. Then I'm going to select this cream jar. Then put it on the top of the rock. I'm going to select this face wash. Click here at the snap base, change it to the face. Press Alt G. Put it up here. Put it on the same position here. Then press G, Z, hold Control, snap to this face. Adjust position. Okay. Next, I'm going to use this rock. Alt P, clear parent. As change pivot point, median point, as to scale this up. Then just leave it like this. I'm going to put this pump bottle at the top of this rock. Then the small pump bottle, put it on the side. Just like this. And in this case, I guess we don't need this one. Let's move it, offset the camera. I need another rock. Alt P, clear parent, as to scale this up. Then let's just put it here. Let's try to rotate it. Next thing to do, I'm going to put it here, just like this. This one, put it down here. Yep, I'm just going to stack the stone. Okay, put it here. Then let's move it back here. Adjust the position, then scale this up. Okay, just something like this maybe. Adjust the position. Let's change it to the render preview. Disable the scene light and the scene warp. We have this result. Don't forget to save your project. I need to adjust the camera here. I'm going to select the rock, one of them, and at the shader editor, I'm going to press Shift A, search for hue and saturation value, put it here, the value is 2, saturation is 0. Just like this. And to make the rock look more fresh, we need some kind of roughness. I'm just going to disconnect this roughness, then turn down the roughness here. It will give the rock some kind of wet look. Press Ctrl B, click and drag like this. So it's only render on the camera view. I guess I need some adjustment with this one, as to scale it down. Okay, then Alt Z, click and drag, move this up. Okay, it's totally fine. And then select this plane, click here, define material, let's find rock. I'm going to use this one, I guess. Just click. Then we can see over here, our planes have a material, but as you can see, it looks kind of weird. We need to tap to edit mode, press U, and wrap angle base. Okay, now it looks more interesting. Back to the object mode, let's disable this. Then let's see at this material, we need to adjust the displacement here. Okay, this is enough. And another thing to do, let's disable the roughness. Then reduce the roughness. I'm going to change the value here to 1. Okay, it looks more wet now. Another thing to do, I'm going to Shift D duplicate this one, RX 90 degree. Then put it here. For the background, move it way back here. I'm going to click here, new material. Then click here, put it to the roughness. This rock looks like floating. Let's adjust the position. SZ, scale it on the Z axis. Okay, then press Shift A, at the empty, I'm just going to use empty cube. Let's scale this up. It doesn't matter about the size. Let's rename this Dove. Select your camera, camera object data property, enable the depth field. Click this eyedrop and click our new empty. Adjust the f-stop here. Okay, I guess this is enough. Next thing to do, let's change the color management to very high contrast. Okay, I guess we are done setting the environment. I'm going to bring back the scene light and the scene world. Let's do the lighting setup. Press Shift A, area light, press RX 90 degree. As to scale this up, GY, put it back here. Change pivot point to the 3D cursor. Go to the object data property. Let's increase the power. Let's start from 500. Then press R to rotate. I'm going to put it back here. Press SX twice to scale it on the X-axis only. Just like this, go to the front view, GZ, move it up. I'm going to change the color, make it a little bit orange like this. Let's try to reduce the power. I think this is enough. Then press M, new collection. Let's name this one EMP. I'm going to organize my collection, select the camera and the depth of field. Click and drag, move it to EMP. Then click this EMP collection, make this one active. So when we add a new object, automatically add it to this EMP collection. Then let's add another light, Shift A, light, area light. As to scale this up, RX 90 degree. UI, put it back here. Object data property. I'm going to change the power. Let's start from 2000. R to rotate, rotate like this. Scale it on the X-axis. R to rotate again. Okay. I'm going to increase the power, maybe 5000. Then GZ, move it up. Okay. Let's shift deduplicate it, art to rotate, put it somewhere here. Then let's reduce the power. I'm going to start with 1000. I'm going to change back my pivot point to median point, then press S to scale this down. Go to the front view, press S, Z, scale it on the Z axis. Then I'm going to select this one, press S, Z, scale it on the Z axis. Then shift deduplicate this one, Alt R, reset the rotation, R, X 90 degree, Shift Z to the wireframe view, move it over here to the background. Okay, I guess we need to do some lining on our stacking rock over here. I'm going to select this one, this light, shift deduplicate it. Let's try to put it here. Okay, then over here at the object, I'm going to search a candle. Change the filter, reverse. I'm going to select this candle, just click and it will automatically download it. After you download it, let's close this and you will see we will have this new collection. Let's select this object, then scale this up. We have our candle here. Let's put it back here. So we have a reason why the rim light is an orange. Let's move it up a little bit. I'm just going to leave it blur on the background. Then Shift A, light, add a point light, put it on your candle, go to the front view, move it up here, change the color to the orange, increase the power, let's start from 500 and increase the radius. I'm going to use this one to give a little bit like our stacking rock. Let's try to increase the power. Let's disable this one first. Okay, reduce the radius. Let's put it somewhere here. Okay, this one is pretty cool. Then let's bring back the light. I guess we are done over here. Don't forget to save your project. Let's go to the render property. Make sample here. I'm just going to change it to 100 sample. Change it back to the solid preview. Then let's try to render it. After we're done rendering, let's try to minimize this one. Then go to the compositing, click use node, open another window. Just click and drag like this. Click here, change it to the image editor, then click here, change it to the viewer node. Okay, then let's disable the backdrop here. Then Shift A, search for, let's add a lens distortion, put it here. Let's increase the dispersion, try to change it 0.01. Then Shift A, search for, let's try glare, put it here. I'm going to change the strike to the fog glow. Can you see the difference? This one without the node and this one with the node. Dispersion, let's try to make it 0.03. Then Shift A, go to the color, adjust, and color correction. Let's put it here and image here, connect to this one. Click here, expand the master. You can increase the saturation, or we can reduce it. Now, I guess we have a fully control of our render result. Press Ctrl and Shift, click at this render layer. You can see the difference, right? I'm just going like this, and that's it, guys. The complete cosmetic product pack, from modeling and texturing all the way to environment and lighting. I hope this tutorial helps and inspire your own project. If you enjoy this, please support this channel with like, share, and even join the membership. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next Blender tutorial.